Welcome! Ever wish your home looked spotless without endless cleaning? Today, I'll reveal effortless tricks to make your home feel tidy using visual hacks, clever design, and smart systems. Stick around for Hack 10. It might just change how you maintain your home forever. Let's embark on a journey to transform your living space, not through laborious cleaning, but through the art of strategic decluttering. We're going to focus on creating an immediate sense of calm and order. The secret lies in understanding what your eyes perceive first when you enter a room, your key sightlines. These are the areas that immediately grab your attention and set the tone for the entire space. Instead of diving into a deep clean, spending hours scrubbing and polishing every surface, we're going to take a different approach. We'll simply clear these high-impact zones. By focusing on these key areas, you can achieve a significant visual impact with minimal effort. It's about working smarter, not harder. Think about the surfaces that are most visible as you walk into a room. For many, this includes kitchen counters. Coffee tables, often the central gathering point in a living room, are another prime example. And let's not forget entryway consoles, the first point of contact as you step inside your home. These areas tend to accumulate clutter quickly. So, take a moment to gather up mail, keys, and those random items that seem to migrate to these surfaces. Instead of letting them scatter, corral them into a beautiful basket or tray. Choose something that complements your decor and adds a touch of style. This simple act of containment turns chaos into order. It's a visual trick that instantly elevates the space. Suddenly, the clutter transforms into a curated look, a deliberate arrangement that adds to the room's aesthetic. Remember, open space feels cleaner and more inviting. It's often more effective than a spotless but cluttered surface. A few strategically placed items are far more appealing than a perfectly clean but overcrowded space. By clearing sightlines, by focusing on those key visual areas, you create instant tranquility, no scrubbing required. It's a shortcut to a more peaceful and inviting home environment. This is the most powerful illusion of order, a simple yet effective way to transform your space without the need for extensive cleaning. Every time you walk in, you'll experience the benefits of this approach. You're greeted by calm, by a sense of order and peace that instantly puts you at ease. It's a small change with a big impact. Floors show mess first, but you can outsmart them. Choose darker patterned rugs, navy, charcoal, or a busy print, to hide crumbs and pet hair. Patterns distract the eye from dust and stains, making your space look cleaner. Your rug becomes a forgiving canvas, letting you relax. It's a simple swap for a perpetually tidy vibe. In the quest for a pristine and effortlessly stylish home, the surfaces you choose play a pivotal role. Shiny surfaces, while initially appealing, often become magnets for unwanted attention. Shiny surfaces reveal every smudge, fingerprint, and water spot with unforgiving clarity. Opting for matte finishes on cabinets is a game changer. These surfaces subtly absorb light, creating a softer, more forgiving aesthetic. This extends to appliances and fixtures. Imagine a kitchen where the refrigerator doesn't constantly showcase every accidental touch, or a bathroom where the fixtures maintain their elegance without demanding constant polishing. Matte diffuses light, scattering it gently across the surface. This creates a warm and inviting ambiance, minimizing harsh reflections and glare. Matte finishes excel at hiding imperfections, whether it's minor scratches, dust, or the inevitable signs of daily life. This inherent ability to conceal means less time spent obsessively cleaning and more time enjoying your space. Choosing matte is about reducing the need for constant wiping and polishing. It's about creating a home that looks effortlessly put together, even when life gets busy. A brushed fridge, for example, maintains its sleek appearance with minimal effort. The subtle texture of brushed stainless steel cleverly disguises fingerprints and smudges, keeping your kitchen looking its best. Similarly, matte paint stays looking clean longer, resisting the telltale signs of everyday wear and tear. This is especially beneficial in high-traffic areas like hallways and entryways, where walls are more prone to scuffs and marks. This design choice means less maintenance, freeing you from the endless cycle of cleaning and upkeep. It's an investment in your time and energy, allowing you to focus on the things that truly matter. Ultimately, opting for matte surfaces translates to more peace of mind. It's about creating a sanctuary where you can relax and unwind without being constantly reminded of the need to clean or tidy. You're not just picking a style, you're curating an atmosphere of calm and serenity. Matte finishes offer a sophisticated and understated elegance that complements any decor. You're choosing a low-effort life, where beauty and practicality coexist in perfect harmony. Embrace the ease and elegance of matte surfaces and transform your home into a haven of tranquility. Enjoy a smudge-free, serene home where beauty is effortless and peace is paramount. Lighting changes everything. It's the unsung hero of interior design, the silent influencer that shapes our perception of a space. Think about it. The same room can feel cold and sterile or warm and inviting, all depending on the light that fills it. Harsh overhead lights highlight every flaw. They're unforgiving, casting stark shadows and revealing every speck of dust, every imperfection on your walls and furniture. It's like living under a microscope, constantly reminded of the things you haven't gotten around to fixing. But ambient lighting softens the room, creating a more relaxed and welcoming atmosphere. It's about layering light, using different sources to create a gentle, diffused glow that washes over the space. Use table lamps, strategically placed to cast pools of warm light. Think about the height of the lamp, the color of the shade, and the type of bulb you're using. Floor lamps to add height and dimension to your lighting scheme. A well-placed floor lamp can illuminate a dark corner or highlight a favorite piece of furniture. Or LED strips for a warm, forgiving glow. These are perfect for under-cabinet lighting in the kitchen or adding a subtle accent to shelves and bookcases. They offer a modern touch and are incredibly energy efficient. Soft light hides dust and imperfections, blurring the edges and creating a more forgiving environment. It's not about ignoring the mess, but rather about creating a space where you can relax and feel comfortable, making your home feel cozy and clean. It's about creating an illusion of cleanliness, a sense of order and tranquility that allows you to unwind and recharge. Focus on mood, not perfection. Don't get caught up in the details. Instead, think about the overall feeling you want to create in your space. You're the artist. Paint your space with gentle light. Experiment with different types of lighting, different colors, and different placements until you find the combination that speaks to you. Sometimes it's not about cleaning the dirt, it's about shifting the focus. It's about not seeing it. It's about creating a space where you can relax and enjoy yourself without being constantly reminded of the things you haven't done. Embrace the power of ambient lighting and transform your home into a sanctuary. Why do chores yourself when a robot can do them for you? Schedule a robot vacuum or mop to clean while you're busy or asleep. It keeps floors fresh with zero effort. Automation buys back your time and energy. Let technology handle the mess so you can focus on what matters. Dust settles everywhere, but most of it's airborne. An air purifier with dust sensors traps particles before they land. Less dusting, fresher air, and a cleaner feeling home. Smart sensors ramp up when needed, keeping your space pristine. It's a proactive solution for a healthier, tidier environment. Breathe easy, your home just feels cleaner. Scrubbing toilets? Skip it. Drop in an automatic cleaning pod or clip-on system. Each flush releases cleaner, preventing stains and odors. Maintenance is as easy as replacing a pod monthly. Your bathroom stays guest-ready with almost no effort. Work smarter, not harder. Clutter piles up where you drop things. Keys, mail, change. Create a catch-all zone with a stylish bowl or tray by the entry. This simple system contains chaos and keeps surfaces clear. It's easy to maintain and instantly makes your home feel organized. Once a week, sort it out. Daily, enjoy a tidy entryway. Order starts at the door. Hidden clutter spills into your living space. Use organizers, shelf dividers, drawer trays, pullouts to give everything a home. When storage is neat, surfaces stay clear. No more, I'll just leave it out. Organized closets and cabinets are the backbone of a tidy home. Invest in systems that make tidying effortless. Out of sight, out of mind, and out of the way. Clothes on chairs make a room look messy fast. Place a laundry basket in every bedroom and bathroom. Proximity makes it easy to toss clothes where they belong. Choose baskets that match your decor for style and function. No more piles. Just a serene, clutter-free space. Small change, big impact. Big. Scent shapes how clean your home feels. Use an essential oil diffuser for a fresh, natural aroma. Citrus energizes, lavender calms, eucalyptus invigorates. A pleasant scent creates the illusion of cleanliness. Set the mood with just a few drops. Need a quick, just-cleaned vibe before guests arrive? Simmer water with citrus slices, herbs, or spices on the stove. The aroma fills your home with warmth and freshness. It's a fast, natural way to override musty odors. Your secret weapon for instant hospitality. Keep closets and drawers smelling fresh with dryer sheets. Tuck one in each drawer or closet shelf. Place a sheet in your vents for a subtle, whole room scent. It's a set-and-forget hack for lasting freshness. Enjoy a hidden layer of clean everywhere. Messy pillows make a room look untidy, even if it's clean. Fluff pillows, karate chop for style, and arrange them neatly. Fold or drape throws with intention. These 2-minute resets instantly elevate your space. It's styling, not cleaning, but the impact is huge. Your room looks magazine-ready in moments. High-touch spots, doorknobs, switches, signal cleanliness. A quick wipe with a microfiber cloth makes them gleam. These tiny details have a big psychological impact. Shiny handles and switches make your whole home feel cared for. It takes seconds, but the effect is lasting. Small shines, big difference. The fastest way to make your bedroom look clean? Make the bed. Smooth sheets, straighten the comforter, fluff pillows. It takes 2 minutes and transforms the whole room. This daily habit sets a tone of order and calm. Return to a serene retreat every night. One small ritual, huge payoff. Life gets messy. Contain it. Designate one chaos zone for mail, papers, or projects. Keep all temporary clutter in this single spot. The rest of your home stays clear and peaceful. You're in control, even when life is busy. Strategic mess, serene home. Don't wait for mess to pile up. Try a daily 2-minute tidy. Set a timer, pick one area and reset it. Wipe a counter, straighten shoes, fold a throw. Small, consistent effort prevents overwhelm. 14 minutes a week keeps your home almost always tidy. It's a micro ritual, not a chore. Calm, controlled, and cared for every day. These effortless tricks aren't shortcuts, they're smarter ways to care for your home and yourself. A peaceful home doesn't have to be perfect, just calm and supportive. If you found these tips helpful, share, and subscribe for more. Comment below with your favorite hack or your own secret trick. Until next time, live smarter, not harder.